it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. You want to make dough with physical goods on Amazon and Facebook and private labeling, all that kind of stuff. This is going to be killer. Watch this. Okay, here's what's doing. In a couple of days, I'm going to the ASD trade show in Las Vegas. Every year they have, well, first of all, it's a trade show for wholesale goods. And they have tons of killer stuff that you can get wholesale and sell the crap out of with simple Facebook ad. Facebook ad. Or with Amazon. I mean, this is killer. But the thing is that the real movement now is white labeling these products. So what is white label? White label means there are a bunch of manufacturers out there and you can buy the product that's already made and slap your brand name on it.
Your brand name on it.
So if your name is Banks Bentley, you could have Banks Bentley skincare products, you know, anti-aging skincare products, which by the way is a huge seller. Big niche. People are getting rich with that stuff. So all you have to do is come up with the sales page, slap it up, run some Facebook ads to it, and boom goes the dynamo. So here's what's doing. A couple of days I'm going to the ASD trade show. Every year I go, I find tons of stuff. Take a look. Here's a little sample of some footage from last year's show. I made a special course for some of my private coaching students, and I found them some killer stuff and they're making money with it. Take a look. This is from last year. As you can see, I'm at the ASD trade show in Las Vegas, and there are a million opportunities here to make money. I found some cool
because I left tomorrow.
Yeah, we don't have money problem. I can send it to you in Japan.
Okay, so that's a little sample of you know what's doing. But here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to make a comment below and tell me what kind of products you want me to look for, and I'll try and find them for you, whether it's anti-aging skincare products, whether it's CBD oil products you can private label, white label, whatever it is, t-shirts, sunglasses, whatever it is you want, toys. Just make a comment down there so I know what to look for. You only got a couple of days. The show's just in a couple of days from now. So do that and then share this video. So I get enough feedback so I know what to look for you chucklehead. Alright, there it is. Maximum respect. If you want more information on Facebook marketing, on Amazon marketing, all those kind of things, go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and become a member. Do it now. Don't be a chucklehead. It's cheap, and it's like going to college. You're gonna get a college level education on how to become an entrepreneur and make money. Like I do, big bucks. Okay, go away, you annoy me. Donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. And I'll see you after the trade show. Maybe my voice will be better. Okay, shut up.